Hi everybody, I'm so excited. It's Vlogmas. Today is day one of my very first daily vlog for Vlogmas, and I'm super excited. I think it's gonna be so much fun. I know I'm brand new to this, but like the opportunity to talk to you guys every day and share all kinds of Christmas joy just is amazing. I mean, I always wanted to go on an extended cruise. I'm gonna think of it like that, like playing something every day, a little activity. It's gonna be so much fun. Thank you so much. I hope you will be able to join me for Vlogmas every day and see what kind of Christmas fun I'm up to. So, what do you mean? No, Christmas fun. It'll be fun, right? Oh, hold on a second. Hey, no, I'm just recording for a vlog. Um, well, I mean, I'm still excited. It's Christmas time and let's spread some holiday cheer. Um, I guess I'm just gonna regroup for day two. I'm gonna sit here with some peppermint tea. And yeah. Well, here's what I had planned to show you for day one. I hope you really enjoy these 10 small gift ideas from the Dollar Tree for your cruisers or your cruisers at heart. Bye guys, see you tomorrow. Actually, can get a few things in there. Look at the cute little plush elves. They need names, guys. Help me out. Like and subscribe now for day two of Vlogmas. And while you're at it, leave a comment. What name should I choose for these guys?